Everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, first of all, thank you so much for clicking this video. And friends, once again, we are here for learning English language. And as you know that I have started my 30 days of learning English language. And in 30 days, I will make you speak in English language. It's my responsibilities. And let me explain one more thing that guys, I'm not here to teach you English language. I'm here to make you speak in English language. Okay, I will make you speak English language. It's my promise and it's my responsibilities to make you able to speak in English language. And definitely, if you follow my step, if you follow my words, definitely you will be able to speak in English language. So let's talk about today's topic. What is today's topic, and what are the things that we are going to cover today? So friends, I know and you all know that English speaking is not a big deal. Just do not take very serious these things. It is just a language you can learn. If I can, you can. Okay, so always keep these things in your mind, and with this motivation, just start your day of learning English language. Okay, so friends, today is my topic is tense. I am about to cover tenses every day. There are 12 tense, so I will be covering all one tenses in a day, and today is the first day. So I thought that before starting my tenses series, before starting my speeches on tenses, I must clear the concept of English language. I must clear the base of English language. Okay, so what is the base of English language? I will be speaking like this and you will have to understand. I am able to make you understand, right? So you will be just cooperate with me. You will have to pay attention on my words, so please listen to me carefully. So what is the concept of English language? So concept is clear. Whatever we know about English language, and we cannot say that we do not know English. We all know English. Most of the time we are just using when someone gives us something. So for that things we say thank you, or when we do something strange for that person. So if they person are feeling bad, and if when we feel bad, so always we use sorry for that person. So I we cannot say that we do not know English. We all know English, and we are just focusing on speaking. We are just trying to speak in English language. So first of all, this is the concept of English language. In Hindi language there are 52 letters. Okay, so just like in Hindi language, just like in English, there are 26 letter. Okay, so in 26 letter, first of all, let me clear your concept that you know the letter English letters or not. There are 26 letter, and that there are 5 vowels and 21 consonant. So you will have to know about it. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonant. Okay, so you must know the sound of vowels, and you must know the sound of consonant. Vowel means 20 sound means we create 20 by using vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So I think we know these all basic things of English language. Okay. So let's talk about the journey of speaking. How can we learn English speaking? So first of all, if you know the basic of English language, like if you know vowels or consonant, we all know that by adding letters, then there are 26 letter in an alphabet in English language. Okay, and by adding those all letters, we make a specific meaningful word that is called word. Okay, and by using word more than 2 words, more than 3 words, we make any sentence that is called sentence. Okay, and after that, using sentences one and more than one, more than two, more than three sentences, when we are able to speak and when we are able to make sentences more than two, so that is called paragraph. And after that we start speaking. Okay, so we do not need to focus on speaking. First we need to make word. I know and you know that making word is not a big deal. So just you will have to make word, and that word must have a specific meaning. Okay, so we just try to make words. Okay, and there are 26 letter you will have to use that word. And I know, and you also know that words, English words, there is no any doubt, and you are not that much beginning, I know, and we can understand these things that if something is written anywhere, and suppose that we can read that things. Okay, suppose that in one board there will be written copy, so we are able to understand that is written copy. That is a copy, that is the word of copy, that is the spellings of copy. We are able to understand these things. Okay, so word means you must have what power, you must have the knowledge of understanding any word. Okay, so it's basic things you can understand. What are the things that is used for speaking. Okay, so pain, there are so many things you have heard about that, and you have read in your class, in your schools, in your college. So there is no need to make any word, you always know, and you know that things previously. So let's talk about the sentence, how can we make sentences. And it is the main part of speaking English language. We all are learning English language for speaking. So for speaking, I know that most of the people are not able to make sentences by using more than one word, more than two words. They are unable for making sentences. So these things I will have to make them understand. Okay, and if you are the one who are facing the same problem, so you are in the right video. So friends, how to make sentences, first of all we will clear this concept, and after that we will go ahead. Okay, so first of all, let me clear that if you are able to make sentences, so it will be very easy for you. But if you are not able to make sentences in English language by using more than two words, more than three words, so obviously you will have to learn it. And without learning making sentences, you cannot speak in English language. How am I speaking right now? By adding words, by adding sentences, I am speaking. So if you wanna speak in English language, so you will have to learn how to make sentences by adding words. Okay, suppose that I am a girl. I am a girl. How did I add these words? I am a girl, there are four syllable, four words. I have used four words. I am a girl. Okay, so how can we use, how can we add words? There are rules, there are some rules. After following that rules, we will be able to understand how to make sentences. I am a girl, you can understand. I am a girl, about whom I am talking. I am talking about I means मैं. Okay, I means मैं. You can pronounce it I think I is not non-correct pronoun, and I is right correct pronoun. So you can pronounce it I. So I am talking about myself. So I have used I. Okay, I am a girl. I am as aim is a helping verb. Okay, this is aim. That word aim has their own meaning. That हूँ, मैं एक लड़की हूँ. I am a girl. A girl मतलब एक लड़की. Okay, so this, I was talking about subject. If you are able to understand, so I am talking about subject. Okay, and after that there are 12 subject. I can say that there are subject. Basically we use 12 subject. I think I, we, you, he, she, it, name, these, that, these, those. So I think it's a I think 12 is a subject. I had thought about, I had talked about 12 subject. And if you are know these sentences, so you can easily make sentences. Today we are going to cover sentence of I. How can we make sentences by using I? Okay, I means we talk about ourselves, and you will me, you will have to work with me. And today just we are going to cover how can we make sentences by using the subject of I. Subject means काम करने वाला, means जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे उसको हम सब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं. I मतलब मैं या फिर I, we मतलब हम, यू मतलब तुम, और ही मतलब थर्ड पर्सन, सी मतलब थर्ड पर्सन, दे मतलब वे थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, I, we, you, they, he, she, it मतलब non living things we use for that. And these, that, these, those, we will cover these all things, but step by step. Okay, so today is the day that we have to use, and we will have to use sentences, we will have to make sentences by using I. So I is the subject that we use for ourselves. Okay, so say I am a student, just talk with me, and after that just repeat after me. Okay, you will have to talk about yourself. Okay, you will have to talk about yourself, that what are you, and how are you, and what are the things that you are going to do. You will have to use I. Okay, so let's give me an example. Okay, what we have to do for making sentences by using I. You will have to just repeat after me. Just say I am a student, I am in the class, and I am a teacher, I am a boy, I am a girl, I am married, I know you, I don't know you, I'm going there, I am just, I am sitting, I am working, I'm watching, I'm dancing. So, in this way, you will have to make sentences in this time, in this step. You don't need to think that you will make mistake. Just make sentences, just try to add words. Okay, I'm not focusing that you are not aware about tenses. I am thinking that you don't know anything about English language, and I have started from zero. So you will have to work with myself. Okay, you will have to understand what actually I want to say, that you are very beginning level. You I am going to teach you from the very basic things. And while making sentence of using I subject, you don't need to focus on your mistake. Just to know, you do not focus that I'm making wrong sentences, I'm adding wrong words. Do not do that. Okay, just try to make sentence by using I words. So this is the way. And after that, when you will be able to make sentences, just try to make word more than two words and more than three words. Try to add these all words. Okay, and after that you will be able to make sentences. And just you will have to add first subject means आपका I रहेगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब रहेगा, जैसे व्हाट दे आर, मैं क्या हूँ. ओके, मैं क्या हूँ, इट इज स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. सो यू विल हैव टू फोकस दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू अप्लाई फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट में रहेगा कर्ता, काम करने वाला. एंड उसके बाद रहेगा आपका कि स्थिति कैसी है उसकी, उस स्थिति कैसी है, वो क्या है. Is mr first, you will have to work on is mr. This is present tense, and this is state of being of present tense. Okay, so you will have to use is mr. I means am. So today I have covered I, and I के साथ आपको use करना है am. So I am a teacher, I am a doctor, I am an engineer, I am an engineer, I am a collector. So these things you will have to make sentence by using I, and you will just have to apply am. I के साथ हमेशा am लगाना present tense में. Okay, so present state of being, if you are talking about state of being, so always remember that you will have to use am. Okay, so I think that you are able to understand today's topic, and this topic was the state of being in present simple tense. And you will have to make sentences by using I and am. Okay, you will have to add more than two words, and just like my example that I have given you. And friends, I will meet you in the next video with a new strategy for tomorrow. And today your homework is that you will have to make 15 sentences by using I and am. Okay, whatever you are, just make that all sentences, and I will ask you that how did you practice. Okay, so for that things ready for that, and just practicing whatever I have told you, and just to see the drastic change after this 29 and 30 days. You will be able to see the drastic change. It's my promise to all of you. Okay, so friends, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, keep practicing, keep learning. So friends, so friends friends, it was nice to talk with you. I will meet you in the next video. So friends, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, keep practicing, keep learning, keep focusing.